The question is, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So with the help of a scale, I will measure an arc of 6 centimeter. So suppose this is 1, 0 and from here it is coming 6. Now after measuring, I will take a one point there. Suppose this point I am taking and I will draw a circle there. Suppose this circle is drawn taking a point O as a center. Okay, and OC, suppose OC equal to 6 centimeter is coming. Now from a point 10 centimeter away from a center, from this point 10 centimeter away, let me measure. See, with the help of a scale, suppose this 10 centimeter is coming this side. So I will join this line with the center O. Name it as a point, suppose P. After this, what I have to do, from a point 10 centimeter away from a center, I have to construct a pair of a tangent from this point. So what I will do कि OP का मैं क्या करूँगा, perpendicular bisector I will be taking. So see, this is taking as center P, more than half लूँगा मैं यहाँ पर और आर्क कट करूँगा more than half की, एक यहाँ पर और slightly यहाँ पर of the same length, है ना. Measure of the same length and similarly I will be cutting an arc like this. अब ये जहाँ पर कट करिए आपने आर्क, उसको आप डॉटेड लाइन से सी व्हाट आई डिड, ये सिर्फ इसलिए करा था क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पर इसका मिड पॉइंट चाहिए था. आई हैव विल गेट अ मिड पॉइंट हियर. नेम इट इज सपोज ओ डैश नाम दिया इसको मैंने. O is a center and O dash is another point. After this what I will do, O dash is a center and P, that is O dash P as a radius. I will draw a circle but with a dotted line. Now I will draw a circle, एक dotted वाली लाइन से मैं पूरा सर्कल ड्रॉ करूंगा इसको. You will notice कि यहाँ पर दो पॉइंट पर टच होगा वो सर्कल. This point and this point is known as point of contact. Suppose इसको नेम दिया मैंने A और इसको नेम दिया B. Now what I have to do, I will join this line. You will extend the line by making a touch to that point. ये हुआ and this one more I will be getting this one. So what I have got, I drawn a circle of radius, what it was, radius it was 6 centimeter. ये आपका radius 6 centimeter का था. Okay, then I drawn a line of that is 10 centimeter and this was 6 centimeter till here. So 6 centimeter circle I drawn and from a point OP that is 10 centimeter I drawn a tangent. PA and PB I drawn a tangent. Let us justify it. In order to justify, I have joined OA and OB. Now you will see this dotted one circle. So angle OAP is equal to 90 degree because it is an angle in a semicircle. So I can say that OAP equals to 90 degree, but OA is radius and this line AP is, that means AP will be perpendicular to OA. Then I can say that according to the theorem, radius and a line when it is perpendicular then it will be always a tangent. So I can say that AP is a tangent. Similarly BP will be also a tangent. This is what I have to write in justification. Steps of construction. Draw a circle with center as O and radius OC equals to 6 centimeter. Take a point P such that OP equals to 10 centimeter. Second, draw the bisector of OP which intersect OP at O dash. On taking O dash as center and MO as radius, draw a dotted circle. Let this circle cuts a given circle at A and B. Fourth step, join PA and PB. Thus, PA and PB are required triangle.